Quick disclaimer, JJC did send me this item to showcase free of charge, but they had no say on the final product, and all of the opinions in this video are my own. Some of the most interesting, fun, yet underrated tools for photo and video are special effects filters. Back in the days of film they were much more common, but they went out of fashion with digital processing and got relegated to the niche and novelty corner. Today we're taking a look at the Star filter kit kindly provided by JJC. Most commonly known as cross screen, it is also referred to as star, starlight, starburst, cross star, and so on. It's a clear glass filter with a grid etched on the surface. When shooting towards a bright source of light, it creates flares or light rays in the shape of the grid. So the more subdivisions the grid has, the more points the star will have. This kit by JJC comes with 3 filters, the classic 4 points, 6 points, and 8 points. It also includes a padded pouch to carry them around safely. They are very thin, they have threads on both sides so you can stack them with other filters, and the front rotates freely to adjust the direction of the flares. I've already talked too much, so let me show you some samples. There are a few things to keep in mind when using filters like these, so let me give you a quick rundown. First of all, they will require some practice to understand how to get the results you want, but don't be discouraged. They will flare, create ghosting, add chromatic aberration, and in general cause some loss in image quality. Different light sources will create different flares. For example, LED lights being composed of multiple diodes will create multiple streaks. Not all specular highlights will sparkle, but they will change shape, sometimes even drastically. Plus they will have some artifacts or show the shape of the grid. They will work on any camera, film, digital, or even your phone. As I said, tools like these are fun and interesting, but they're not a magic cheat code. You still have to put in the work and figure out the best way for you to use them. That is all for today. I want to thank JJC once more for sending this kit. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!